So I'm here with Devin today. So Devin, why don't you tell us about the new episode?
I directed the whole thing by myself. I put it together. We start off with a scary movie trailer, and then we go to the awkward interview, and then we finish it off with UHS Cribs with our own Mr. Bailey. Enjoy.
Ring around the rosy pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, what do you suppose we can do? He's coming.
All right, come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Last at bat. I
Hurry
forgot
up.
they're the home team. Your class gets last at bat.
Hey, you want to say more stuff?
9, 10. Hey, what's up? We're out here at Physical Education Land. Let me tell you, what are your thoughts on this game right now?
Pretty heated game.
It's tied up. Well, actually, it's 10-8 with Coach Weiskopf's class beating Coach Webster's class. But Coach Webster's class gets the last at bat. And big boy Eric is about to hit it, so who knows? Oh, that's not Eric. Ask me some questions. We're in the thick of things right now.
So, who's your best player?
Oh, we got a bunch of them. We got a bunch of really good players out here right now.
Who's made the best play so far?
Well, that was not a good play by Wiley, but hey, we'll get it back. That's 2 outs. Best play of the day was by far Marcy.
Okay. Hey, come.
11.
Carrots.
Hey, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna make it home. I'm making it home.
Hey, you're making a home run?
They're nothing. They're booty.
All
Not
right,
home run.
all right. If you,
They're
okay,
nothing.
keep
They
going.
ain't nothing.
Hey, what are you gonna do to beat
I'm
this
just
team?
I'm just gonna look for like a good perspective on the angle of the ball. I'm just gonna try to get a dinger. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you.
Got you. No. Keep going. Just go. We're done.
Oh, what's up, guys? Welcome to room 200, my crib. Just having a little yellow drink. Come on in, check it out. Got the school schedule here, super important. Hey, government class, American flag, preamble to the Constitution, 2 big things. Come on back here. Got leftover from a party we had last hour, some riffraff hanging out, that's all right. Back here, got my windows. Sometimes we open them up. Gets a little hot up in here like a Nelly song. Gotta shut those things. Gotta follow the rules. Someone might get a cold. Only the best. 1-ply, baby. Government issued toilet paper. It's all good. Let's go. Come on. Have a little more. What we got back here? Oh, not everybody gets one of these fancy things. Super awesome red vest. Hey. Got a fire outside. Who's going to put it out? Fireman, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Take this thing off. Put it back up here. Come on up here. We got lots more you can look at. Ooh, look over there. Got some wood shoes. Got a little marionette doll. Got a little cup. Those come from foreign exchange students. Nice to have them here. That's cool. And then up here, oh, this is a big prize right here. Got this, traded a bag of mulch for it. Not everybody can do something like that. That's why room 200 is where it's at. Got a lot of baseball stuff up here. Got a toilet seat. Never know when you might need one of these puppies. Anybody can come down here and borrow it. Little wreath up here. Don't know why, just do. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed your time in room 200. Peace out. Have a nice day.